Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to create this dreamy, blur, hazy effect within Adobe Photoshop. A really cool idea that you can apply to many forms and many images. And what I'd like you to do is take the steps that I show you today to create your really cool, amazing, hazy, dreamy, cloudy effect. Okay, so just going to open up my layers window here. I'm going to set the top 3 layers and press backspace to remove and start off with the original image. First step that I would need to do is duplicate this image. Now the shortcut on Windows is Control J, or on Mac it is Command J. And with that layer still highlighted, I'm now going to go to Filter, Blur, Lens Blur. Keep the radius to 90 and anything underneath, keep it 0. Threshold will be okay here, but any of the blade curvature, 0, rotation, 0. Keep this around 90. And now I'm going to press OK. And now what I need to do is come to the blending mode and use screen. And there you can see the effect starting to happen. Now what I want to do is come through and add a curves adjustment layer. So I'm going to come to our adjustment layers here and go to curves. Make a point here, bring that lower there like so, and I'm going to make a point about here and bring that up there. Maybe bring that up a little bit like so. Okay, so then if I go to my layers, yet again, I'm going to apply a blending mode of screen. And it's quite dramatic, so I'm just going to bring the opacity down on that, like so. And then the last step that I would have looked to apply would be an adjustment layer again, and that would be a gradient map. If you come to your preset gradients, you have this group in here called clouds. So if you use one of these, anyone will do really, to be fair. So we use this one. Say about that one now. Look, yeah, that one will be nice. And then we come back to our layers again, and yet again, change the blending mode to screen and bring the opacity down. Like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that dreamy, hazy, cloudy effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.